I don't know what you're talking about!
Your son! Don't you recognize your little boy? And his filthy friends bring me my cat. They can't bench me in. Not them, and not you. Be pretty. Be Margie.